So you guys, I'm here in the mall and I'm trying to get Wi-Fi. I really need it because later on I'm gonna have to use it. So I don't know what I'm gonna look for. I'm trying to look for the museum, but I can't really find it. So yeah, you guys, I can't find the museum, but I'm gonna have to find it, guys. But I look cute. So guys, I think I found the place, the museum. So I don't know if they're gonna let me record, but if they can, I'll try. So yeah. Like everyone's literally staring at me. Like I feel so weird right now, but it's okay. Something I'm gonna have to get used to. But yeah, I feel so cute right now. I should have put makeup on like my neck, but I didn't want to get my necklace wet. I didn't want to get my necklace dirty, so yeah. Okay, you guys, so I found it. It's right there, over there somewhere. So stay tuned. I don't know if they'll let me record because it's a museum and it has like artifacts. So I don't know. This is the outside of the museum, which is so cute. So I'm here in the museum and I just walked in. Guys, look. That's so beautiful. Like, I have to know history. They didn't really have a tour guide today. I might have to come on a day of the tour guide, but it's so beautiful in here. Like, look at the art. And for me, I love art and like I love drawing, so for me to see like different designs on here, it's like so nice. Like, guys, I'm gonna show you guys. Wow. Let me show you what I like the most though. Like that. Like I want to know like who's like the artists that like do these drawings. Like got music playing. Like it's so nice. Wow. And this is not even half of it yet, guys. Wow. Since the 1950s, there has been a steady flow of Jamaicans in the New York, with men first looking for individual work, in search of domestic opportunities. Wow. Okay, nice. Okay. Wow. Look at these, girl. Of course, I'm gonna take a minute and like actually read these things, but just want to show you guys like the tour. Wow. This is, wow. Like, guys. Oh, this is stunning, guys. This is stunning. I don't want my phone to shut off, so I'm trying to do this fast as I could. Wow. Got this. Wow. Got this over here. Wow. This is so neat. Wow. This is so nice. Guys, so coming in here is like, it's so nice. Like, I'm gonna read every single one of them of like the history, but it's really nice in here. I love it. After Haitian military forces conquered all of the Hispaniola in 1821, Dominican Republic on the eastern side of the island won its own independence in 1844. The Central and the South American Caribbean countries declared independence from Spain in 1822. Cuba followed 80 years later after the Spanish-American War. Through 1930s, emancipated British Caribbean and colonies, rejected colonies policies expanding the local self-government and voting rights. The majority of black populations have been left economically weak by colonial rule and now move to control their own fate. Wow. British vs. Indians. Guys, I forgot to show you guys this, but I don't know. There's this, Air Jamaica. You guys, I got Chick-fil-A. The sandwich and the fries and Polynesian sauce, and then my drink is behind my phone, so I can't really pick it up, but I need to go outside to see if I can get Wi-Fi somewhere else, so that way I can have Wi-Fi in the mall, because it has to send me a text message, and my regular phone is off, so I'm gonna have to use a different number. But yeah, I haven't had Chick-fil-A in a couple days, so I don't know. Actually, not a couple days, a couple weeks. One thing about Chick-fil-A is like it's salty, it's good. You know what's crazy? People keep staring at me. It's good though, y'all. It's really hot though. So yeah guys, after this I'm gonna go outside to see if I can find Wi-Fi. Find Wi-Fi somewhere else, so I can know like what to spend. Okay, you guys, so I think I'm just gonna end the clip here and talk to you guys later once I find Wi-Fi. Hey guys, so I'm at Macy's backstage and I'm trying to look for a lotion. I kind of have like body wash and like combs and hair accessories, but I just can't find lotion, so I might have to go somewhere else to buy the lotion, probably like Walmart or something, or the beauty supply or something, or Dollar General. Or so yeah guys, I didn't really get to vlog the whole day. My phone's gonna die, so I just wanted to do like a short mini vlog. I know earlier in the clip you guys seen me at the museum, which was really nice. A lot of history and everything, so it was nice. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna show you guys what I got later on, so stay tuned.